This Century 21 Hancock Properties Incorporated property video is presented by joyfiscus. Inside Oxford city limits. Convenient to I-85. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, updated home. New in 2019, all new plumbing lines and fixtures, new electrical and panel box, new heat pump and ductwork, new vinyl replacement windows, new vinyl flooring, new kitchen cabinets and countertops, new insulation, new interior doors, new light fixtures, and new interior paint. Lot size is 0.3488 acre. Front and back porches. Large backyard. New sidewalk, flower boxes, and survey in 2021. Call today. For more information, review the details below.